it's fall, and if you live in the Southeast, you, like me, are worried about that thing, that H thing that always comes.
Halloween! No, yay!
Not Halloween, that's the good part.
Oh.
Hurricanes.
Oh.
So for hurricanes, you should definitely be prepared.
Yes, FEMA has a required list of items that you should stockpile before, but we're here to add more to the list.
Because if you're going to be stuck in your house for a night, maybe a couple days, maybe without power, why not use that time to have some extra special fun?
Things that you never had time, such as role-playing, a romantic scene, or
perhaps some BDSM and bondage, maybe some rope play, maybe a little cosplay.
Or games. You know, you were always too busy to sit down and play some games. Well, here's your time. There's no electricity. There's nothing going on. You're locked at home. Let's do this.
So there's a lot of things to know about a hurricane. Like, they were first made by Pat O'Brien in 1940s in New Orleans.
Are you talking about the drink or the actual hurricanes?
Of course the drink.
Well, it just sounded like you were talking about the actual hurricane, how it just forms and it was created.
So, do you have your rechargeable toys charged? Do you have your lubrication?
Did you charge your rechargeable charger? It's kind of like a tongue twister there, but that's exactly what it is. A rechargeable charger. You know, the portable battery packs? Make sure those are fully charged.
Are you going to have no means of relieving that stress and staring at the Weather Channel until the power goes out? Or are you going to be prepared and have some fun? So if you're going to be stuck for a few days indoors and no one's going to disturb you, why not get out of the bedroom a little bit? Perhaps on the couch, on the living room floor, or maybe on that easy chair.
Or definitely the washer machine on the spin cycle. That's an experience in itself. And then once you're done and you feel kind of cold, just go next door to the dryer and warm up.
So if you're going to have some time for a few days to have some fun, don't forget to indulge all 5 senses. For example, for sight, go with either a blindfold or get dressed up for cosplay.
For hearing, put on your favorite music. It could be Barry White, it could be Enya, it could be jazz, whatever puts you in that sexual mood.
For smell, burn some incense or get some scented candles even.
For touch, it could be a wide variety of things, from floggers to feathers to handcuffs. It's all limited to your imagination.
Or for taste, get some food, maybe some flavored lube, or even our favorite,
PSM!
Post-sex munchies.
Yes, always a requirement. Our favorite is always chips and queso.
Did you buy condoms? Otherwise, there's going to be another spike in births 9 months from now. Remember, if you're going to have to hunker down, be prepared before. By the time the hurricane is already here, it's too late. So if you live in the Southeast, like many of us do, don't forget to stock up on all the supplies you need while you hunker down.
Don't forget the rum.
Why is the rum gone?
It's a hurricane, so I had to make hurricanes.